Hold on.
Do I have to put on my shoes?
I'm videoing it.
You just ruined it.
You don't have to put your shoes on, I
Yeah,
don't
you
think.
love these. Yeah, you have to go look for gift. Go where we keep that machine we use to keep the floors clean. The vacuum.
I'm glad you specified which
Hold
machine.
down your short test though first.
Gross! I'm taking you on video.
I know.
Let me get a close up on your gross hair.
Let's follow Gianna.
Okay, follow her.
Go to the closet with the vacuum in.
Oh, who smells like poop?
You shouldn't be saying that when people are passing by you.
With their butts.
What does it say?
Haha, not that easy. Now go to the room that you never like to go to. The room where your clothes go for a vacation till you take them out of your laundry. You wear them again without washing them.
That's
Where
it.
do I go?
Where's that
Except we had to change it. It's
That was a little
you have
too
to
much
go to the
import.
porch.
Oh,
Detour.
detour.
You have to go to the porch.
Jared, how?
Yeah!
What is it? A blanket?
It's my vanity.
You got a blanket. This is for weight.
Thanks,
This is-
Mom. How much do I owe you now?
$62.
Oh, it's so pretty. You even put it together.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. It worked for a nice desk, too.
Let's turn it.
Yeah, that's why I wanted it.
Wow.
Where are you going to put it in your room?
Right there underneath my thing.
When we were putting it together, after we had put it together, we noticed that there's this pink on the cushion, Jan. So I don't know, maybe it'll come off.
Whoa.
Jana can put some prettier fabric on it.
Sit on there. Remember the reviews? Let's see
Yeah,
if
because it
it's
said that. That's about right.
okay for you.
Mm-hmm.
It said what? That the stool was too short?
The mirror was too short.
Oh.
You could probably rip it off and put it back on.
No, they said that they changed the hinges or
Yeah.
something. They just moved the hinges.
Careful.
Oh, yeah, that's got a lock
So
on the
pretty.
thing, Jan.
But you gotta take care of it so it doesn't get scratched.
I'll use that tablecloth.